Hello, my name is Amanda Shorsman and I am 18 years old, so I am a college freshman, and I am excited to start this course because I love English. It is my favorite subject in school. I have always been a fan of it because it just clicks with me somehow. It's the literature and the human emotion part put into each other, and I have loved writing since I was in 4th grade. I used to write novels, little novels that I don't have anymore, but I used to write them because I love to write. I am really good with coming up with words, coming up with things to write, and I never lack that. I always enjoy writing. I enjoy writing especially when I know what's going on, so that's why I love to go really in depth with literature, because I love symbolization. I love getting to know what the author really intended, not just the surface, but getting underneath the skin and knowing exactly what he or she wanted. My bad experiences with English has to be my writer's block. I've had it really bad this last year, and I'm trying to regain it back, hoping that this class will help me out with it, especially when it comes to my own personal writings, so I can write about things. I'm also really bad when it comes to essays. Sometimes I babble and sometimes I don't always get to the point. So I'm hoping that with this course I can actually achieve my goal of writing an essay that makes me feel proud to have written it. And I'm excited for this course in college in general because I'm finally an adult and I can finally learn things that I can apply to my life, that I can use in my occupation to learn new things that I have never learned before. And I hope that with college it is something that's fun and not terrifying. What I'm nervous about is that it's college, it's new, and it's something that I don't know. I don't know a lot of people, so that makes me really nervous, but hopefully I can get over that in a couple of weeks and it'll be fun and it'll be something that I need and I will love to have in my life. And with that, I say that this course will probably be my favorite course of this semester.